Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Children's Joy. Today we will learn important road signs and purposes. Stop sign indicates that drivers must come to a complete stop at the intersection. Yield sign indicates that drivers must slow down and give the right of way to traffic on the road they are entering or crossing. Speed limit sign indicates the maximum speed vehicles are legally allowed to travel on that road. No entry sign indicates that entry is prohibited for all vehicles. Pedestrian crossing sign indicates that pedestrians may cross the road at that point. School zone sign indicates that drivers should slow down and be alert for children near schools. Railroad crossing sign indicates that there is a railroad crossing ahead and drivers should be prepared to stop. No parking sign indicates that parking is not allowed in the designated area. One-way sign indicates that traffic flows only in the direction of the arrow. Roundabout sign indicates that there is a roundabout ahead and traffic should move in the indicated circular direction. Merging traffic sign indicates that traffic lanes will merge ahead. Slippery road sign warns drivers of a slippery road surface ahead. Construction zone sign indicates that there is construction ahead and drivers should proceed with caution. Deer crossing sign warns drivers of the possibility of deer crossing the road. No U-turn sign indicates that U-turns are prohibited at that location. Right turn only sign indicates that vehicles must turn right at the intersection. Left turn only sign indicates that vehicles must turn left at the intersection. Divided highway sign indicates that the road ahead has a median or divider. Lane end sign warns drivers that a lane is ending and they need to merge into the adjacent lane. Bicycle lane sign indicates that the lane is reserved for bicycle traffic. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.